Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, just go over some quick technical analysis on Zion gas ticker symbol ZNOG before the market opens. Right now, it's currently 6:11 on the clock on Monday, August the 4th, 2025. Just want everyone to kind of keep an eye on these levels that are coming up for Zion Oil and Gas. First of all, let's not be fooled here. Okay, on the charts here on Thinkorswim, they do have that ZNOG has earnings coming up. Well, we don't have any, so and don't even be fooled if you're on Thinkorswim and you see something saying, "Oh, ZNOG's going to release earnings." They're not going to do it. No, we're not going to have any. At least they don't have any revenue. We know that. So, however, again, Monday, Thursdays are typically the days to release news. So, just keep an eye out for today. With that being said, on the update side, I'm not saying it's going to be a positive or negative. I'm just saying it may be some type of update, or it may be ghosted. It may be ghosted for a couple of weeks because they did send an email, I think, out last week. So just keep that in mind. So ZNOG here, currently, just like we talked about, it popped its head up about 24.5 cents, and now we're pulling back. And we said it could pop its head up at about 24.5 to 25. And then pull back, and then possibly find some support at 22. So that's going to be interesting to see here. Okay, if we're going to hold that 22-cent mark, or are we going to break below that and come back and test 20? Okay, so the next, forget this one here. I'm going to look at if it's going to come down and test this 20-cent mark first, and if not, then I'm going to look at about 19 cents. Okay, so 20 to 19 cents is what you're, or 22 to 19. If it breaks below that, that's your channel that you're looking for it to stay in between. If it breaks below there, then 16 is going to be what you're looking at a support level. If it comes down and bounces off of 22, if it bounces off of 22, okay, keep an eye on 25, because if it gets through there, then you could see 27. To be honest, there's not much reason for it to go past where we are right now. I'm going to just be honest with you. But the stock historically has the ability to keep moving up off of excitement and speculation. I mean, it's done that in the past. And so I wouldn't be fully surprised if it did that. So there is a possibility. All right, so just keep that in mind. But just also keep in mind that at this time, there's really not any big reason why it should just continue to come up, because we're in a situation that we've been in before, which is we're kind of in limbo and waiting on an update for the company. Okay, so we're gonna take a look at a longer time frame for ZNOG now. All right, so here's the daily chart dating back from January 1st, 2023 to now, and it's really not that much different. All right, so 3 cents is your floor, your top still 27, and your support instead of 22 is 21. Okay, so even if it pulls down and gets to 21, that's what I was kind of saying is, anywhere from 19 to 22 cents, if it pulls back and holds support there, is not terrible. And then 17 would be actually your longer term support. So it's about a cent difference in between all those support and resistance levels that we're talking about. Actually, your resistance level is going to be the same, right at about 27. So I think a pretty big week for Zion Oil and Gas here in regards to momentum of this uptrend here that we're seeing. Can we maintain that, or will we just kind of get flushed out and start moving our way back down, or we'll see. So anyway, just wanted to give you a quick update on that. Also want to touch base on Tesla, because Tesla is a stock that we do cover here on the channel. All right, and it's one that we've been talking about and that we've been looking at here. So Tesla moving a little bit in pre-market, and it's because Elon got his package passed. Let's see here, if I can grab it here. Tesla approves. Let's see. Tesla approves a 96 million share award to CEO Elon Musk. Okay, so That's something that was kind of like in limbo for some reason, and then boom, he just got his package approved. And I guess people see this as a positive because they think he's going to quit politics and he's got it approved, and now he's going to spend all his time towards Tesla. That would be nice, okay, to kind of get everything back moving in the upward direction for Tesla. So Tesla moving pre-market currently at the moment, and TSLL, the ETF, moving along with it. As you see here, we were down at about 10.41, currently at almost $11. So we should see, at least right here, probably closer to, we might get, to $11.50, almost $12 a share if everything stays as is, as far as if this momentum can continue for Tesla and TSLL. So yeah, so anyway, that's what I wanted to give you an update on for the morning. Let me know your comments below. Other than that, we'll catch you in the next one.